Here's a quick tip for InDesign. I have a pair of images pulled from a recent magazine layout to use for my example. Suppose you want to bring these closer together. In their normal square frames, this happens. Corners of the frame cut into the underlying image. And changing the stacking order won't help. So one of these images needs a clipping path or mask. Or does it? InDesign has detect edges, but I wouldn't recommend it. Solves the overlap problem, but it clips the entire image, and not very well. Don't do this to your images. Another option is to manually edit the frame, but like clipping in Photoshop, it takes time. In this case, there's an easy solution without leaving InDesign. Use Transparency Blending Mode Multiply. Select the image frame on top. Click the FX icon and choose Transparency. Set the mode to Multiply. This works because both images have a white background. White added to white is still just white. So for cases like this, when images need to get close, there's a time saver. Of course, if the images overlap more than just the background, it won't work. Well, unless that's the effect you're looking for. Otherwise, clip or mask the image in Photoshop. If this solution works for you, like the video and subscribe to this channel. It keeps more videos coming.